Hey guys, this is C. Bentley from Bentley Bricks, and today, as you can see, I've got the mega big shop here. I've been looking for this everywhere. It's mega. Back of the box comes with two giant mega whistler darts. They're big. You can fit an elite dart inside a mega dart. Let's get into it. So, hang on. Let me cut this bit there, and the tape on the other side, and then good. Now it looks like that, and then we'll pull the back off. Now let's see. Good. Now we have the main gun. Oh, it's so cool. It's like a giant jolt.
But if you dry fire, it makes it weaker.
Yeah, I know.
So don't. That's dry firing.
Yeah, I know. I'm good with guns, man.
No, you're not.
Yeah. Go watch my other videos.
Sure.
And then we have the two mega darts. So
Stop.
One goes in the front and one goes in the top. And then we kill you. No, we don't. Now I'm gonna go outside and do a review on it. So I'm gonna shoot the big shot from here to the end fence. So 3, 2, 1. Number 2, 3, 2, 1.